Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about NFTs. Before moving forward, how about subscribing us and hitting the like button? So without wasting any time, let's move on. According to the formal definition of NFT, it stands for non-fungible token. What do you mean by fungible and non-fungible? Have you heard about cryptocurrency? Yeah, I guess you guys already know about Bitcoins, Ethereum, Solana. All cryptocurrencies and all physical money that we have in our hand, like paper money, like dollars, these are called fungible tokens. Why? Because these are exchangeable. Like, what does it mean these are fungible? Let me explain you. A fungible token means it can be exchanged with another token. Like if you have $1, you can exchange it with another $1. Both have same value, as $1 will always be equal to $1. Same as cryptocurrency, one Bitcoin will always be equal to one Bitcoin. Whereas in NFT world, it says non-fungible token, means these are not exchangeable. Just take an example like Bored Apes. Have you heard about Bored Apes, right? If yes, tell me in the comments. You have heard about Bored Ape NFT, right? Let's say you own one Bored Ape NFT, there is another person who own another Bored Ape NFT. Both cannot exchange each other's NFT. Why? Because NFTs are non-fungible. Non-fungible means these cannot be exchanged with each other or with any other NFTs. Means NFTs are completely owned by a single specific person. He can sell it, but he cannot exchange it with another NFT. Like if you have one Bitcoin, you can exchange it with Ethereum, you can exchange it with other cryptocurrencies, but in NFTs you cannot. I hope I explained it in easy words for you guys, but if you still have a question, tell me in the comment section. Also make sure to like our video and subscribe us for more videos in the future. Moreover, I'm gonna start NFT designing series soon, and don't forget to turn on notifications channel so you get alert whenever we post a new video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.